How to add link to text in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add or share link to text in Telegram, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. Now, to share the link to text, you need to copy the link first. Now simply copy one of the links, just like this. Copy the link and go back and tap onto one of the text, just like this. Now to paste the link, simply keep on tapping on the text just like this and tap on to paste. After doing that, simply tap onto this arrow button right here, like this. And now you can see the link has been shared or added. And that's it. This is how you can add link to text in Telegram. Now do the same process to share other links as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.